A friction stay is mounted on the push side of the door, allowing the opening to be limited to 90 degrees. The friction stay base plate should be positioned 65mm away from the centre line of the hinge in the underside of the door frame. Fixed parallel, it should be just clear of the door face when closed. Using the friction stay base plate as a guide, mark and drill 4 holes in the underside of the door frame. Then, using self-tapping screws, screw the base plate into place. Close the door to mark and drill 3 holes. When positioned correctly, there will be some clearance between the arm and the angled plate, which will allow unimpeded movement. Using the angled plate as a guide, screw it into the door face. Use a spirit level to ensure that the angled plate is parallel to the top rail. If more or less friction is required, adjust the hexagonal bolt accordingly. Check out the full range of our doors, locks and accessories on our website.